Join us for part 2 of our Keswick adventure, where we enjoy a rainy bike ride, a bus ride to Windermere, and Dave does what he does best and has a good old moan about the weather.
It's very cold and murky Keswick this morning, and we're setting off on our little bike ride. And of course it's just started raining. Keswick Hotel, which is behind me here, is the old railway station, which you probably can't see from there. But so this track we're on is the old Cockermouth to Penrith Railway, and it's now been converted into a cycle track or footpath. I think it's about 5 kilometres to Threlkeld. So this railway was originally opened about 1864, I think, and it closed down in the early 1970s. Some of these bridges along here, Val, were destroyed in 2015.
Were they? Why?
Storm Desmond.
Was it?
Yeah.
So they had to redo them all?
Yeah. Yeah, so when we was out on the bus yesterday,
yeah,
we got a telephone call, didn't we, from the campsite, Val?
Oh, we did, yeah. Little bit panicked, weren't we? We thought something had happened to the van.
Yeah, I thought something had happened to the van while we were out. And it was for the, because it had been raining so much, they'd gone to amber warning on the flood alert.
Yeah.
So it seems that they rung us to let us know, and it seems that you can only be a sort of hour
On in.
Yeah. You can only be sort of 1 hour away from the site in order to get back in case it floods. So I'm saying this railway going in this direction, we're actually going uphill, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
I think it goes up about 1 in 70 or something. Or when it was a railway it did anyway. Down to first gear here. Oh, I was pedalling like mad. I think I'm going to have to put my gloves on here, Valerie, because my hands are now starting to freeze.
Are they cold?
Very cold.
Thing is, it's hard to do camera, isn't it, if you've got gloves on?
Yeah, can't work a camera with gloves.
Yeah, it started raining again now. We're in a little shower, but it'll stop soon, I'm sure. Yeah. It is quite cold, isn't it?
It is absolutely freezing. That wind is freezing here.
So stopped off for a little break because my legs are tired. Yeah. They're all wobbly now and we're not even halfway there. I'm very unfit. Quite ashamed, but hey. And I have to have a plastic bag on my seat cover. So when Dave took the bike off the rack this morning, realised, because I've got quite a spongy seat cover, It was all squelchy and wet through, so we've adapted.
So we've had to improvise a plastic seat cover.
Yeah, a nice plastic carrier bag with a bungee clip round it to keep my bum dry. So we'll see how that works.
Yeah. And anyway, who the comes to Lake District in January?
We do. Lots of other people by the look.
Morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Well, it's absolutely throwing it down here in Keswick, as you can see.
Can't really see it on camera, but take our word for it, it's throwing it down. It has been all night and forecast to do all day. But we decided we're going to go out, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going on the bus ride. So we're getting the 555 from Keswick to Windermere.
Yeah, go and have a day out in Windermere, see what there is to see there. And if nothing, we could at least have a coffee and a cake. So we're on the bus, heading for Windermere.
Windermere?
So we're on the bus.
Okay. Right, look.
So we're on the bus, heading to Windermere. And I'm looking forward to my coffee and my cake.
Yeah, we find a nice little cafe or something, can't we?
Yeah.
Get a coffee and a nice cake. We're only going for an hour or so, just pass the day really, because it's so wet here. It's like Lake District rain.
Yeah, which is fine. What you expect in January, isn't it? We've done all right. We had a dry day or two, didn't we?
Yeah,
so that was all right.
It's going to improve tomorrow. got the bus to Windermere, and now we've just walked down the road to Bowness on Windermere.
Yeah, about a mile and a half, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. And we went to the, what was it called? The
Flying Pig.
Flying Pig for some dinner. Nice little pub.
Yeah, had a nice sandwich with some chips and a drink.
We're going to see if we can get the bus back from here, back to Windermere, and get the bus back to the campsite.
Yeah. If we can't get a bus, it means we're going to have to walk about a mile and a half back up there, uphill, to Windermere train station where we catch our bus back to Keswick. So fingers crossed we catch a bus here. That's what we're hoping anyway.
So the bus from Keswick to Windermere is the 555. It's £6 each, single.
Yeah.
And I think this bus from Bowness on Windermere to Windermere is £3 each. It says on the sign no hawkers and no performers here, well.
That's it. What are hawkers?
I don't know. Are they not like people who sell things?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a bit of a gloomy Bowness on Windermere today, I have to say.
Yeah, so pretty though.
It is. Last time we come here was a couple of years ago. Where Tessie was after chasing ducks.
Yeah, she liked to do that, didn't she?
No, she would chase any animal.
Yeah. Any other living animals around, you had to put her on a lead. She liked the chase, didn't she?
Yes, she liked to chase anything that with 4 legs or 2 legs and a beak in the case of the duck.
Yeah. Well, she was a retriever, weren't she, in there somewhere?
Yeah.
Yeah. She liked to retrieve. But yeah, she was on a lead a lot of the time, so she didn't get the chance.
There's lots of ducks here, Val. What are these white things?
What?
What are they?
They don't look like doves, but I'm sure they're not doves. Hello, swan. Be hissing at you in a minute if you go too close.
They're quite tame, aren't they, these? They must be used to people being near them.
I don't really know what I'm put here for. Lying with my head on the bedroom floor. I don't really know who I'm meant to be. Even if I did,
Yeah, it's a bit wet at the back of this open top bus. It'd be nice in summer though.
Yeah. Oh, we're on the bus home.
Well, we're on the bus to the Windermere.
Well, we're on the first bus home.
We're on the first bus from Bowness on Windermere.
To
We're going to Windermere, and then we'll get the bus to Keswick.
Good morning, everyone. So we're just packing up now, getting ready to go home. And I just looked out the window and seen this view, and I thought I need to share it with you. It's beautiful. Look at that. Anyway, I better get back to helping, packing up. See you in a little bit.
Well, that's us done at Keswick Camping and Caravan Club site.
We're all packed up, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to head back home.
Been lovely, hasn't it? We've really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's lovely here. Certainly one of our favourites. One of our favourite sites.
Yeah, it's
The
really,
location
really nice.
is fantastic. A few minutes walk into Keswick, and there's everything you need there in Keswick.
Yeah.
Beautiful views. Weather's been a bit crap, but just as we come to go home, the sun comes out, as you can see, which is fairly
that's
typical.
Nice, isn't it, for all the people who've come for the weekend?
Well, yeah, it is if you come for the weekend, but for Belgium.
Shut up, moaning. So that's us all done. So thank you so much for joining us. Hope you've enjoyed it. We've had a great time, and we look forward to seeing you again next time. Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.